Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 in VMware Workstation Pro 17. So let's start the video. First of all we need two things. We have to install VMware Workstation 17 Pro on your laptop or PC, and then you have to download the ISO file of Windows 11. So I have made both the videos, so I'll give it to the description box. So now let's start the video. So first of all we need to open VMware. Now you have to click on create a new virtual machine. After that you have to click on next. After that click next. Now here select Microsoft Windows and version. We have to select the version Windows 11 64-bit. We have to click next. From here we need to give the location where we want to install Windows 11. So I'll select the drive F where I will make a folder name VMware Windows 11. Now I have to click OK here. Now I have to click next. From here I have to give a password for VMware Workstation so that I can use it later. So I'll give a password here. I have to confirm the password here also. Now I have to click next. Now I have to select the disk size. So I will select 70 GB here. Then I have to click next. From here I can customize hardware. So I can increase the RAM size here. I can also change the processor size. So I can here use a logical processor. So I'll give 2 here. Here I can also customize the network adapter or USB controller, but I won't. I will keep as it is. Now I'll close it. Now I have to click on finish. One more thing we need to add. We have to add the ISO file of Windows 11. So we have to click on edit virtual machine setting. So here you have to click it. Now you have to click on the CD ROM. Now you have to click on add ISO file. Now you have to click on browse. From here you have to give the location where you kept the Windows 11 ISO file. So I'll give the location here. I'll select the file here. Now I have to click OK here. Now I have to click on power on virtual machine. Now I have to press any key. After that the Windows installation will start. So you have to wait for some time. As you can see the installation has started. So you have to wait for some time. Now from here you have to click next. Click install now. So the setup will start. So we have to set up it the normally we set up Windows 11. So we have to click on I don't have product key. You have to select the version. I'll select Windows 11 Pro version here. I have to click next. I have to accept the license. I have to select on customization. From here I have to assign the drive. I have to click OK here. I have to click next. So the installation is started now. So we need to wait for some time to finish the installation. So let's wait for some time. So it's almost done. So you have to wait for some time. It will take a restart. So as you can see, the Windows 11 has successfully install. So it is getting ready. So as you can see, the Windows is running here. So I have to select the region. So I have to select the country. So I'll select any country here. I have to click next. From here, I have to select the keyboard layout. So I'll select US. I have to click next. I have to skip it. It will take some time also. It will check the updates. So it will restart it again. So you have to give some time. Now I have to skip this. I, I don't want to give any name to my device. Now from here I'll select any option here. So I can select one and click next. Now from here I will click on sign in option. I don't want to sign in with Microsoft account. So I will click domain instead. I have to select the device name. So I will give my channel name Tech SD. To click next. So I will not give any password here. I will click next. Taking some time for making my device ready. So as you can see, the Windows 11 is successfully installed in VMware Workstation 17. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.